New attractive casual outfit ideas for men. Our outfit number 1. Black shirt with black pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 2. Sky blue shirt with gray pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 3. Ash shirt with black pant and black sneakers. Outfit number 4. Purple shirt with white pant and black loafers. Outfit number 5. Printed shirt with striped pant and brown slides. Outfit number 6. Printed shirt with black pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 7. Striped shirt with black pant and white sneakers. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you.